Hello, my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Now, I'm trying to decide which one's my favorite because, oh my goodness. Okay, well, one is a must-have. One is one that I cannot believe I think you should need, but you do need it. And the other one is just gorgeous. Okay, let's just do the one that you're gonna have to have. Okay, it is an additional set of envelope liner words. What am I talking about? Well, look at this. You know how we have envelope liner dies, one scalloped, one straight. In fact, let me pull one out now. I keep all my envelope liners and my envelopes in here. Ooh, look at that. What's that? Ooh, coming soon, coming soon. But we have our envelope liner. So here's an example of my envelope liner. This is the straight edge. And I will take one of these and drop it in there. Now, one says Merry Christmas, one says Happy Birthday, and one is just a bunch of fun dots. Now, look at that. Happy birthday. So can you imagine when somebody opens it up, it's going to say happy birthday. Or you can do it on the outside. So it says happy birthday. Oh, here's a Merry Christmas on the outside with a decorated envelope. Isn't that gorgeous? Here is a Merry Christmas. Here is just the dots. What does it say? I didn't get you a present, but then happy birthday's on the front. Look how fun that is with the inside of the blue. Ooh, look you guys, we got to start decorating our envelopes. I'm telling you. Here's one, Merry Christmas. Here's one, ooh, with Merry Christmas on the front. Decorated envelope on the back. Look at that. I love it. Here is another fun one. Whoops, look at this, you guys. Look at this. We are going to decorate our envelopes from now on. Lots and lots of options. Merry Christmas, happy birthday, dots, straight edge, scalloped edge. The choice is yours. Look at this one. Ooh, this one's got goodies in it. What's this? Merry Christmas. We're going to open this up. Santa Claus is coming to town, Mary. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? What a fun card. Here's another, happy birthday with the little bee. Now, that same happy birthday, you can also add to your card, happy birthday. Isn't that fun? Because it die cuts it out. And also those dots can also be a border for your card. I know, lots and lots of options. Now, if that wasn't enough, the next one, I'm going to do this one. The next one is, Ken and I were in Hawaii a couple years ago last year on vacation. And we were in a Mexican restaurant, which was funny. And I saw these designs on the walls and it gave me the most gorgeous inspiration. And so I designed something similar, but that reminded me of that. And I sent it to the factory to have it made into a die. And originally I was like, because sometimes you have to, things might not translate correctly. So like it was beautiful on the curtains, but does it make a die? You know what I mean? Like different things. And so I looked at the die and I went, well, I don't know. Let's see. I sent it to the design team. And you know what? They knocked my socks off. Let me tell you, this die is now probably one of my top 10 because of what the design team did. That's how amazing it is. So when you look at the die, you're gonna go, I don't know if I need that. But wait till you see the samples before you answer. It is called the Square Flourish Die. And I know it doesn't look like much. But wait for it. I'm gonna find one. Oh, here. Here is the perfect example on a slim line. Ready? Look at this. Look at that. Is that the most gorgeous? Now it does come with a shadow die, but here we didn't use the shadow die. It's just 1, 2, 3. Definitely use the adhesive sheets on the back of this when you die cut it. There is one example. Let's look at another one. Ooh, look at this one with that pearl look. Oh my goodness. As the main part of the card. Here's another one as the main part of the card. I am telling you, you guys, this one knocked my socks off. Here's one using it as a stencil, die cutting it and using it as a stencil. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's one using it as the embossed look. So cutting it out of the same color and adding it even in the corners and the center. You can see how gorgeous that looks. It makes it look embossed. Here it is just in the corners. Oh, and on behind that circle. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And look at this one, just part of the card. Make your own pattern paper. I'm telling you guys, aren't you amazed at what they did? I am too. Oh, look. Or you can make it a cute little tag if you wanted. You can do a to from on there. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm telling you guys, I loved it. Now, the last but not least one is the one that knocks your socks off also. It is the Lattice Background die. I know some of you have seen a sneak peek of this one and you've been asking me about it. Well, it's finally here. And let me tell you, it is absolutely, positively gorgeous. There's a sample. Here's a sample of it using as just a background die. Here's another sample. Oh my goodness, you guys. Here's one. Oh, this one's fun. With 3 offsets, so you get different looks. Here's another one with wood look behind it. I love it. And here's another one. It just adds. Imagine if you didn't have this green on here. It'd be a red card. Boring, right? Add that green on the background. Now you have an amazing card just by changing the background. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on all these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out on a 15 or 20% discount off of everything on our website. That includes adhesive, that includes cutting pads, that includes everything. How exciting is that? So my friends, go check out the stampsoflife.com. Lots of fun products there and lots of even more coming soon. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.